In today's video, we're diving into the world of music with an incredible tool for piano enthusiasts. We'll explore a fantastic application that helps you master piano chords, scales, and progressions, making your musical journey both fun and educational. A top-notch piano chords, scales, and progressions application for Android is designed to assist musicians of all levels in mastering their piano skills. This app typically features a comprehensive library of chords and scales, allowing users to explore various musical styles and genres. It often includes interactive tools such as chord progressions, which help users understand how different chords work together in a piece of music. Additionally, the application may offer tutorials, visual diagrams, and audio playback to enhance learning. Users can practice by playing along with built-in backing tracks or create their own progressions, making it an excellent resource for songwriters and composers. The user-friendly interface and customizable settings allow for a personalized learning experience, catering to both beginners and advanced players alike. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of the Piano Chords and Scales app inspires you to enhance your piano skills.